Hello?
Hi, ladies.
Harrison, please, man. So we're gonna go across this.
Anyone want to date me?
Yeah, you could speed date Harrison. I'm 9 years old. I'm 10 years old. And he's 10. He's older than me, but he's a peewee baby. Now. Okay, let's go, Harry.
Okay. And it's Harrison, not Harry.
Oh, shut up.
Okay.
Harrison's an idiot. Right, Harry?
No.
Yeah, then why at school, why did you trip over your own shoelace when you're standing straight? This is the river.
Last time we went here, I fell in the river and got a really hurt buttock.
Harrison, remember that rock in the box that we had? Well,
I don't remember anything.
oh yeah. Like, we put it under a rock.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's go, let's try to find it. Harrison, are you coming? Get over here. Let's go.
Okay.
Found it.
Hi.
Harrison's a retard. Yeah, some drunk partiers right here. Harrison, get over here. We did have, Harrison, didn't we have a box that had a lot of cool stuff in it that we found here?
Look what I found.
It's a leaf, Harrison.
No, look.
Harrison, that's a leaf.
Monkey bar.
What? Yeah, Harrison, you could climb that tree. I know you're really athletic.
I can't climb this tree. I'll die. I'm athletic.
Yeah, Harrison, you are.
What?
Yes, you are, Harrison.
And I did a triathlon too, ladies.
You did. You came in 101st out of 300 people. That's really good. Harrison, get over here. I found something for you. It's the hamburger bun from that toy thing. Go back over there.
John, I'm gonna go back.
No, you're not.
Your mom's here.
Really? Wait. Harrison, I found it. Come here. I really found some stuff that was in it that we
How
put in.
did you get over there?
I just climbed across that. It's just some of the stuff we found. Not all of it. Some bottles. Bowl.
Oh yeah, that was in the box.
Some. Yeah. That. Oh, fine. Let's go back. I'm not stopping the camera though. So, ow. Come on. There's some more bottles. Harrison, I think all of it got spread over the rain.
Come on, go.
Okay. Keep going. Harrison, you're behind me. So I wouldn't be talking.
Yeah. Now I don't need to.
Oh, shut up. Let's go. I'm John. I'm 5. I'm 9 years old and I got turned 10. I turned 10 in September. September. Okay. Yeah, I'm pulling this thing down. Come on. Well, okay, I have a question for you. If you could mail this in to us, Harrison, how do you mail it to us? Give us a comment. The first one who has a comment, what happens? Leave a comment, and if you know the answer to this, what happens when you break an atom? If you,
Wait, what was the question?
what happens if you break an atom? If you mail that in, you will win an atom. Oh, you will win.
If you get that in, you will get to decide what our next video will be.
Yeah, I'll see my shoes. Okay,
Perfect.
and Harrison's gonna do some gymnastics stuff. Okay, Harrison, let's go. Okay, Harrison. Same as yours. Yeah. Dude,
So wet.
take off your shirt. Take off your shirt. Harrison is really walk. Here's the ball. Hey, 6 a lady.
So wet on here.
Harrison, do your open Gangnam Style.
Oppa Gangnam Style. I'll do it on here.
What? No. I'll put it. Oh. I'm gonna put this in the poop.
Yeah, that's our video. Remember, leave
Wait.
a comment.
And the question was, what happens when you break an atom? If you get this correct, you will decide what our next video is. Okay. Goodbye.